The world lied to you. They told you to be good, play nice, follow the rules. But where did that get you? Nowhere. You've been walking around like a ghost trying to make everyone happy while you're the one feeling empty. It's time to wake up. It's time to realize that the game was rigged from the start. The game is rigged, but you have to play it anyway. Look at how you've been living. Showing up on time, smiling when you don't feel like it, saying yes when you want to scream no. You've been a puppet, dancing on strings society tied to your back. And for what? A pat on the back? A fake smile? It's not enough. It'll never be enough. You're tired of being a nice guy. You're sick of playing a good little soldier. You've been bending over backwards for people who don't even notice. And when you think about it, they've been taking advantage of you all along. Society's made you believe that playing nice is your path to success. But the truth, it's kept you weak. It's kept you small. You feel that monster inside of you, that beast that you've been holding back. It's clawing to get out. You can feel it every time someone steps on you, every time they disrespect you. You've kept it caged for too long, worried about what they think, what they say. But here's the harsh truth. They don't respect you because they don't fear you. Why do you care what they think? Why do you care if they call you the villain? Being a nice guy got you nowhere. Embracing your darkness, that's where the real power is. You're done with people pleasing. You're done letting them walk all over you. It's time to embrace your shadow. Unleash the beast and take what's yours. They want you to stay in your place, to keep your head down and accept their scraps. They tell you that you're selfish if you want more, that you're wrong if you refuse to be the good guy. But the truth is, they're scared of what happens when you stop playing by their rules. They know that once you let that beast out, there's no going back. Think about all the times you held back, all the times you let people treat you like you were nothing. They didn't respect you then, and they sure don't respect you now. But what if you stopped caring about their approval? What if you stopped caring about what they say, what they think? What if you became the monster they always feared? You got strength inside of you that they can't even begin to understand. You've got a fire burning that could burn their whole world down. But they don't see it. They can't see it because you've been hiding it. You've been holding back, worried that they'll call you a monster, a savage, a villain. Well, maybe it's time you show them exactly who you are. The truth is, society's lies have kept you trapped. They made you believe that heroes are the ones who win, but that's a fairy tale. The real winners are the ones who break the rules, who refuse to be controlled. Heroes are a joke. It's the villains who rise. It's the monsters who win. So why not become what they fear? This isn't about revenge. It's about survival. You've been playing their game for too long, and now it's time to play yours. It's time to break free, to destroy weakness, to become the savage that gets what he wants, no matter the cost. This is your villain arc. Your chance to rewrite the story, to take control of your life and unleash the beast. And let's be clear, this isn't about hurting others. It's about putting yourself first for once. It's about refusing to be a doormat. It's about standing tall and embracing your personal power. It's about standing on business. They want to see you weak so they can stay in control. But you're done being weak. You're done letting them decide who you are. Imagine walking into a room and commanding respect without saying a word. Imagine people looking at you and feeling that chill, that moment of hesitation, because they know you're not to be fucked with. They know you're not someone to mess around with. You can have that. You can be that. All you gotta do is stop caring about their opinions and start caring about your own power. Embrace your darkness. Embrace your shadow. They told you that the dark side was evil, but the real evil is living a life of quiet desperation. The real evil is allowing yourself to be controlled, to be used, to be nothing. You're not here to be a pawn in their game. You're here to be a king in your own. This is the winter arc. The season where you let go of all the things that hold you back. Where you become the beast they thought they could keep in a cage. You've been passive far too long. You've been passive long enough. You've been quiet long enough. Now it's time to roar, to let them see that you're not someone to be pushed around. This is where you become the anti-hero, the one who doesn't need their approval, their respect, or their love. You're done with the lies, done with the manipulation. This is where you reclaim your power, where you embrace your shadow, where you become unstoppable. They're gonna hate you for it, but that's okay. They're gonna call you selfish, ruthless, heartless, and you know what? Let them. Let them say what they want. Because while they're busy talking, you're busy winning. You're busy building a life they can only dream of. So go ahead, step into your villain mode. Embrace the darkness. Use it to fuel you, to drive you, to push you towards your goals. Because at the end of the day, nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's gonna hand you the life you want. You gotta take it. You gotta be willing to become the monster if that's what it takes. This is your moment. This is your villain arc. This is where you stop being the good guy and start being the guy who gets things done. Embrace the rebellion, the fire, the power. Unleash the beast. Become a savage and never look back. They had their chance to respect you. Now it's your turn to show them exactly who you are. Watch this video right here. It's gonna show you how to go from average to savage in 6 months or less. This is your villain arc. I see you guys over there. Peace.